In a world where movie night actually matters, everything feels calm. The lights are off, the snacks are ready. The room is finally at peace. Your hand reaches for the remote, and for a brief moment, reality itself seems to hesitate. You feel it, the balance, the approval, the worthiness. You were chosen, but then, something changes. A disturbance in the room. Your roommate walks in, uninvited, questionable hygiene, dangerous confidence. He reaches for the remote like it belongs to him. He thinks it's plastic, he thinks it's harmless, he thinks wrong. Because this is not an ordinary device, this is the MJÖLNIR remote. This is not technology, this is judgment. The moment his finger touches the sensor, the remote responds. Unworthy user detected. The Asgardian gravity lock activates. Suddenly, the remote feels like it weighs 100 pounds. He pulls, he struggles, he fully commits to the embarrassment. His face slowly turns the color of expired ketchup. The remote does not move.
Go do the dishes.
A divine voice fills the room. You are not worthy. Go do the dishes, humiliated, but stubborn. He tries again, to hands, maximum desperation, a mistake. The remote activates Bifrost burn mode. The grip temperature rises to 150 degrees. Electric sparks crackle, the air vibrates, even time feels unsafe. He screams in a language not spoken since the Vikings. He drops the remote instantly, jumping around the room like his soul just rage quit his body. The remote calmly concludes, trial by fire complete. Access denied, control the thunder, control the Netflix. Introducing the MJÖLNIR remote, exclusively from OddVention. Because your living room is Valhalla. And not everyone deserves the remote. Stay worthy.